Hello friends, today's topic is microbiology. So, microbiology is the study of all living organisms that are not visible with the naked eye. Simply, we can say that microbiology is a study of microorganisms. Then, what are these microorganisms? They are the organisms that are not visible with the naked eye. So, microbiology is the study of the living organisms that are not visible with naked eye. We can see microorganisms only with the help of a microscope, and it includes bacteria, virus, fungi, archaebacteria, prions, protozoa, algae, etc. And they are collectively known as the microbes. These microbes play key role in nutrient cycling, biodegradation, food spoilage, and they are the cause and control of many diseases, and also have an application in biotechnology also. So simply we can say that microbiology is the study of microorganisms, and the microorganisms are the organisms that are not visible with the naked eye. Then how we can see a microorganisms? We can see microorganisms only with the help of microorganisms, and it includes bacteria, virus, fungi, etc., which are collectively known as the microbes. And these microbes play significant role in nutrient cycling, biodegradation, food spoilage, food production, and they are the cause of many diseases, and also have application in the field of biotechnology. The Dutch scientist Anton van Leeuwenhoek is the father of microbiology. He was the first person to describe tiny cells and bacteria, and he invented new methods for grinding and polishing microscope lenses. So the father of microbiology is Anton van Leeuwenhoek, who was a Dutch scientist, and he was the first person to describe tiny cells and bacteria, and he invented new methods for grinding and polishing the microscope lenses. And the first recorded observation of microorganisms, that is the fruiting bodies of molds, was made in 1665 by the English physicist Robert Hooke. Coming to the subdisciplines of microbiology, first one is the bacteriology, and it is a study of bacteria. Environmental microbiology is a study of the function and the diversity of the microbes in their natural environments. Evolutionary microbiology is a study of the evolution of microbes. Industrial microbiology is the exploitation of microbes for use in industrial processes such as industrial fermentation and wastewater treatment, and this subdiscipline is linked closely to the biotechnology industry. Next is the medical microbiology. It is a study of the role of microbes in human illness. It includes the study of microbial pathogenesis and epidemiology, and is related to the study of disease pathology and immunology. Next is the food microbiology. It is a study of microorganisms causing food spoilage, as well as those involved in the production of the valuable food from cheap raw materials such as cheese and beer. And then next is the microbial genetics. It is a study of how the genes are organized and regulated in microbes in relation to their cellular function, and this subdiscipline is related closely to the field of molecular biology. Next is the virology, which is a study about viruses, and microbial physiology is a study of how the microbial cell functions biochemically, and it includes the study of microbial growth, microbial metabolism, and microbial cell structure. Mycology is a study of fungi, whereas veterinary microbiology is a study of the role of microbes in veterinary medicine. And these are the major subdisciplines of the microbiology. Okay, thank you.